Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the convertible top fuses relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. That's the one we're talking about here guys. Now, stay with us, we'll share very helpful information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And before we guys continue, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The convertible top fuses and relays come guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes C-Class. Now, quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden different fuse boxes in that Mercedes. You have up to 6-7 of them and some of them do not even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscribers told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to open the trunk guys. When you open the trunk, that's a carpet liner. Lift it up. In the right corner right here, you have another black flap, like a carpet flap. You lift it up and underneath is the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, here what we need to check specifically, we first need to start by checking one fuse. The convertible top fuse needs to be quite big guys because it's powerful. But where is that fuse located? Okay, we're talking about fuse 463. If you have a convertible, that will be your convertible top fuse. If you have a coupe or a sedan, that will be your rear window defroster fuse. So for the convertible it might be bigger amperage, but that's the fuse. What about a relay? You don't have a relay. The relay function practically is controlled by most likely the rear SAM module, SAM module. So we recommend to check the fuses relays for the rear SAM module. For any of you that do not know where they're located, we have the video on the channel, so please check it out. Hopefully it will be helpful as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.